Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we have to use integration to find out the area bounded by the curve this. Okay, so look at this how we will proceed. So, these guys have given us the situation which look like this. So, first idea is first we will try to draw the graph tracing, and then later we will find out the area associated to that graph. Now, so suppose that we have to crack the idea how they have created this question. Okay, so you have to understand this part. So my point is, inside their mind they must be thinking that to give 1 minus x. So this is stage 1. Then they thought of complicating things. So what they did, they put mod on x. They thought again to complicate it more. So they put mod on y as well. And this is how hopefully they have created this question. Okay. Now one by one we will try to draw the graph. So first point is you have to draw the graph of this function. Now look at this. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and look at this how we will draw the graph. Now, suppose that you know it is a straight line. I am focused on yellow graph. So it's a straight line. Suppose x is 0. So if x is 0, y will be 1. And if y is 0, x will be 1. Is that okay? So our graph may look like this. It's a straight line, है ना? So this must be the graph of yellow part. Now what they did? Now on stage 2, they put mod on x. So do you remember the transformation? Okay. So you have to apply the transformation of graph over here. Means you have to replace x with mod x. You know that if we are replacing x with mod x, we have to erase everything on negative x, and then we have to take image. So look at this, we have taken the image. So our graph will look like this. Okay, so done with stage 2. Now we are on stage 3. So on stage 3 we have replaced y with mod y. So what does this means? This means first you have to erase negative y, done, and then you have to take image. So you have erased negative y and then you have to take image. So your image will be this. Now this is the complete diagram of this function. I hope it is clear now. Now we will plot those points, then we can find out the required area. So it was what? 1 comma 0 comma 1. Who is this? It is 1 comma 0. Who is this? Minus 1 comma 0. And who is this? It is 0 comma minus 1. So you have to find out the area of this part. Okay. Now try to understand that. Don't you think that if we will find out the area of one triangle in the first quadrant, all will be equal only, है ना? So we have to find out the area of this part and things are done. So can I say that all are symmetric? So the required area will be 4 times half is half. Area of triangle is half base height. So half is half. and the base is what? 1 unit. Base is 1 and the height is what? Height is also 1 unit. So you can simplify things. You will be left with 2 square units. Therefore, the required area is 2 square unit. I hope you understood the concept, and like the concept that you have studied in function, that to graph and the transformation of graph, you guys are applying over here. Those things are much required to handle area under curve. If you are comfortable there, 100% you will be comfortable here as well. So see you in the next session of MathFlix.